African gray parrots possess remarkable cognitive abilities, with studies showing they have the intelligence equivalent to that of a 5-year-old human child. These extraordinary birds can learn hundreds of words, understand simple numerical concepts, and even grasp the idea of zero, a concept many animals cannot comprehend. Research conducted by Dr. Irene Pepperberg with her famous African gray named Alex demonstrated the bird could identify colors, shapes, and materials, even combining these concepts in novel ways. These parrots show emotional intelligence too, displaying signs of empathy, forming deep bonds with their caretakers, and even experiencing jealousy when attention is divided. Their problem-solving abilities are exceptional, with studies showing they can use logic to find solutions, delay gratification for better rewards, and understand cause and effect relationships. This remarkable intelligence means African greys require extensive mental stimulation in captivity, needing puzzles, social interaction, and regular training to prevent boredom and psychological distress.